Annalise's first. This is Annalise's first time with helping out in any way, with any role in a bomb. She's just holding it, and Melissa's doing it. But
this is for you, Annalise. I love you. You're my best friend. I love you.
Alright, I don't know if she took a picture. Okay, ready?
no, I'm taking a video.
Oh, you're videotaping it.
Yeah.
Right.
Don't make me laugh. Wait, let's get a wax out.
Now I'm gonna laugh. We sound like pirates, and I had a pirate conversation in my class earlier. It's really weird. I'll tell you about it later.
We have friends.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Oh my god, just do it already.
Alright.
Jesus.
Shut the fuck up.
No, I won't.
Let's not.
Actually.
Okay, don't put this on YouTube or anything.
Okay.
Put you
Go,
on too.
go. I'll your tube. It looks like I'm like.
Amateur.
This does not look fun at all. Like, first of all, I don't think I could ever drink that much unless it was water and I was dying of thirst.